Hiya, I'm going to show you how to input new ambassadors into Salesforce. So from wherever you're at, you should be able to create new and pick contact. And you're going to pick adult. And then you're just going to fill in whatever information you have. So for example, I'm going to do one of your, I've got your spreadsheet pulled up, so I'm going to do one of your Dallas people, Carla. There's an area for industry. You'll plug that in here. We've got her email, which is, let's see, where's the email on this thing? I think down here. Right here. You could specify if it's her work email, which it looks like it is. And then I think the last field you've got is the date joined, so you can put that as the activated date. So you're going to go ahead and, we should also select her affiliated CoachR office. It looks like I need to add Dallas in the other city, so I'll add that, but definitely add this because that's what we'll pull our report from. And then save. And there is one more step. I'm going to show you how we're going to classify them as a ambassador. So once that saves, you're going to create this thing called a contact classification, and this helps us to kind of sub-classify people. So you pick new, and then we've added ambassador here. So you'll continue to make her an ambassador. We can repeat the start date here as well. If she has a specific position, you could put that in there. And if you find any of these other fields to be helpful, you can use those as well. These are, I think, are things we use for the regular board. So that's it. I'm going to go ahead and input the existing ambassadors for you. So this will just be what you do in the future. And then let's say Carla registers to volunteer and completes the process. It should merge this record with her new volunteer record, and everything would be kept in one place. She would just have two contact classifications, one as an ambassador, one as a volunteer. Also, if she donates at any point, it should merge that as well, as long as she's using the same name and email address. So it should allow us to kind of capture all the action of your ambassadors in one place. I'm also going to pull a report for you once I get this affiliated CoachR office working. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.